it's too overwhelming to think, you know, that wherever we go. So I think I might stick with French cuisine.
Okay.
And maybe do some dinners. We're moving back to the US, so I'd like to bring sort of Bordeaux and France to Washington, where we'll be, and maybe bring people there back to Bordeaux. So some different projects in the works.
So you have been bought over by Bordeaux.
Yeah. Yeah, they won me over, I know.
Well, if you all want to start being won over by Bordeaux, there's some
Yes.
delicious cheeses and wines to sample. But before we adjourn, just want to thank Tanya for all this wisdom. And if you want to buy a book or get your book signed, Tanya will be available.
Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much. Yeah.